Here we go.
Now the House has elected a new speaker. I can call him and congratulate him. I'm ready to work with him or any Republican Congress to make progress on the American.
Come on, man!
For the American people.
For the American people.
Starting last week, if Big Pharma raises prices faster than inflation,
I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
they're going to face big penalties. Starting last week, Americans can get tax credits.
Americans, you can get tax credits.
Americans, you can get tax credits.
What the hell?
Oh my God.
And the lawyers arranged for the Department of Justice to take possession of the document. So we're going to see all this unfold. I'm confident.